The giant pandas have left the San Diego Zoo, but look, we have a new cute furry friend. This baby giraffe born just on Sunday afternoon. See little tufts there on his head? Right now he's in a corral with his mommy, Harriet, who has had 4 other babies. And this is the first baby for his dad, Fred, who visitors say was visibly excited to see his son being born. Baby giraffe weighs 157 pounds, which I guess is normal when you're a giraffe. No word on what his name is going to be, but Dad's name is Fred and Mom's name is Harriet, so hopefully it'll be along those lines.
Just a 1950s domestic scene going on
Exactly,
there.
that's what it sounds like.